Awesome. Okay, guys. I have a plenty of questions that I need us to have a look on, but because of time, I would like to do like a quick crash course, a summary, summarizing a lot of things in a short period of time, so that you have a better idea, better understanding on what's going on in this concept of probability and counting principle. As you can see this picture here, we are just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. You know, that trend you normally see on TikTok, will be doing it live here so that you don't have fun on social media, but with us, education should be fun. Okay, guys. We have a lot of beautiful questions that I need us to have a look. Okay, but before I start with this question, I like to do a quick crash course, the summary, summarizing a lot of important things in a short period of time. But my main focus will be on the part of grade 12, which is counting principle. So let me share. Please confirm if you can see my screen.
We can see.
Awesome, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Lovely. All right.
Why really 57 come?
Please keep yourself muted, guys. Keep yourself muted. I'm begging you. Awesome. Okay, we are looking at probability. Basically, probability refers to a chances that an event will occur or not. That's all about probability. This refers to a chances that an event will occur or not. Let me just give you a note. This refers to chances that an event will occur or not. That's all about the probability. And we have a unique formula that says probability of an event is equals to the number of possible outcomes divided by the total possible outcome, or I can say the total sample space, the total possible outcomes. All right. We can just write it as probability of an event equals to the number of possible outcomes divided by the total sample space. That's about the probability, okay? And then rule number 2, probability will never be greater than 1. If you are doing some calculations and you are reaching the answer being greater than 1, wait, don't run. Please go and check where you went wrong. Probability will never be greater than 1. Let me just write it down for you. Probability will never be greater than 1. Please, guys, take a note. A probability will never, ever, ever, ever to the infinity be greater than 1, but the absolutely probability, listen to me, but the absolutely probability is equals to 1. Let me give an example. I am quietly sure that everybody here in the class will pass. That's an absolutely probability. I'm now reassuring this. Everybody will do well in maths and science. All right. With that being said, we have two types of events that we'll be focusing on. We have two types of events. That's a quick crash course. We have two types of event that we'll be focusing on. Number 1, I'm just going to divide it for you. Number 1, we have what you call the mutually exclusive events. And number 2, we do have what you call the independent event. Okay, we have a mutually exclusive event. Please allow me to mute people who are still unmuted. Awesome. Okay, we have two types of event, which is let me do this. Just a moment. Let me. Oh, awesome. Beautiful. Let's continue. Sorry for the disturbance. People are unmuted. All right. We have two types of events, which is mutually exclusive and independent event. When we say mutually exclusive, like check something. Mutually X. I love the term X. You got nothing to do with your X. So it means they have got nothing in common. I love the term exclusive X. The X between there tells you something. They have got nothing in common. Please take a note. There is nothing in common. Even if we can introduce our Venn diagram, they have got nothing to do with each other. Beautiful. Let's check something. Exclusive. This X should guide you. You got nothing to do with your X. Okay. Apology for the language used, but that's how seems to be easy. You get nothing to do with your X. So they have nothing in common. I can then say that's an event A, that's an event B. This event, they have got nothing to do with each other. So can I then say probability of A and B is equals to 0? Because these events, they have nothing in common. Let me just keep another note. They have nothing in common. This is your X. You got nothing to do with your X. Mutually exclusive, they have nothing in common. Okay. So when we have the independent, okay, lovely. When we have the independent event, then we know that probability of A and B should be equal to probability of A multiplied by probability of B. Very, very key, guys. For now, just get used to these words. Mutually exclusive, they've got nothing in common. They've got nothing to do with each other. That's your X got nothing. You don't owe anything. So probability of A and B, it is equals to 0. But when the events are independent, rather, probability of A and B equals to probability of A multiplied by probability of B. So they can ask you, prove that the events are independent, okay? Allow me to move to another slide. I'm saving this as a PDF. I'll share with you after the session. You can do screenshot for now. I just need to move to other slide. Wait, okay. Let's check. Okay, let's check. So if they ask you to prove that events are independent, okay, I like to annotate to prove that events are independent. This is what you should do. Number 1, please find the probability of A and B. Number 2, please find the probability of A multiplied by probability of B. Okay, if they are equal, the first thing that you have to do is to find probability of A and B. Secondly, find the probability of A multiplied by B. If they are equal, let's conclude. If they are equal, so it means then the event are independent. Very, very, very key. That's how examiner like to test this. So if they ask you, prove that the events are independent, the first thing first, find the probability of A and B. Number 2, find the probability of A multiplied by probability of B. Let's check something now. I'm just gonna create a simple scenario. I'm just gonna create a simple scenario for you to see how do we calculate probability. Okay, we have 5 rings here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 rings in total. So if I can ask you, you can see that these three balls, they are what? Three rings rather, they are red and the remaining two are black. So if I can ask you, calculate the probability of picking. You are now event, you are picking what? A red ring. So it's gonna be probability of event equals to number of possible outcomes.
3.
Oh, somebody's on fire. Number of possible outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. So what are we picking? The probability of red. So your event now is red. Probability of red. How many red do I have? 1, 2, 3. That will be 3 over the total sample space. How many balls do I have in total? 5.
5.
You can just write it as a decimal, still okay. Everything favors you. You can just write it as a decimal. Yeah, okay. I already see the answer. Beautiful, lovely, sweet. 3 over, okay, beautiful, guys. I love this. So now I can even ask you, this is for you guys. What is the probability of picking black ring? I'll appreciate to hear from you so that we are on the same page. 2 over 5. Do you guys agree? Beautiful, beautiful, awesome. I see the comment. Beautiful, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, lovely. So probability of picking the black rather, is 1, 2. You have 2 over 5. Awesome. I see the answer coming through. You guys are the best. You are the best. Awesome. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I see the comment coming through. Awesome. Okay. With that being said, I'm just gonna move to another slide. Beautiful. I like them. They are all on fire. They are participating. That's what makes the year different. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Awesome. So with that being said, let's look at the last concept and we can just run. We have complementary events. Complementary events. Just a quick crash course. Because of time's sake, I just gonna touch few important points, okay? Okay, guys, when it comes to complementary events, we know that if probability of A plus probability of not A should give us 1. Normally, examiner, not A, they will write something like this, PA, and having a symbol on top. That's how examiner will then write something for you. Okay, let's check something. If I can create a quick example, or today it has been hot, and then looking at the weather, they are saying we are going to have a rain with 0.2. Okay, let me say 20% rather. They normally use percentage. We are going to have a rain with 20% tonight. That will be a little bit small, but it's fine. They can ask you, calculate the probability of no rain. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. The probability of event from the first one I gave you, the probability of event plus probability of no event should give us 1. I see the answer already. You guys are the best. 80%. Oh, beautiful, guys. I love this. What is our event? It is a rain. I'm gonna say probability of rain plus probability of no rain should then give us 1. But what do we have? We have probability of rain. Can I say 0.2? Because it's in percent, I can convert it to decimal. Or if you want to use percentage, still fine. Because the total probability is equals to 1 or 100%. It's up to you. You can work with a decimal or fraction. Still fine. I agree with them. So I'm going to have 0. Oh, I see the comments. Guys, you're the best. 0.1 plus probability of no rain should give us 1. So just making it subject of the formula, I'm just going to transfer it to other slide. Beautiful. So probability of no rain will be 1 minus 0.2. That's 0.8 or 80%. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. It is 0.8 or 80%. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. And one more thing that I need to tell you guys, every time they give you options, what should hit your mind is that tree diagram should be drawn. Every time when they say a person went to the shop, he picks tomato, avocado. Every time when you see options, please don't run. Draw a tree diagram. I have a question for tree diagram, and then tree diagram, guys, can be asked in two ways. Tree diagrams can be asked in two ways. Let me just break it down. Tree diagram, they can ask you in two ways, where a person you are picking without replacing. Beautiful stuff. I need to write it down. There are situations where you will be picking out without repetition. Beautiful. Every time they give you options, it is a tree diagram. Beautiful. So check something. Tree diagram, they can be asked in two ways. They can be asked in two ways. There were scenarios where you will be picking out something without replacing, okay? Without replacement. Without replacement. And the scenario number two is where you are picking with replacement. This one is with replacement. You have, okay, this is a bag. You have 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. You are picking one ball without replacing it. So whatever gonna left in the ball will be 3 because I'm not picking one ball without replacing. The term replacing or without the replacement, very, very key. Whenever you look at the diagram, don't just read as if you're reading some newspaper or any article. Please read with understanding and annotating. Every time they give you option, it is a tree diagram. And then whenever you write the annotation for you, keep a key guide. Let me explain. Let me explain something. I'm just gonna move to another slide. I'll just come back here. Wait. Let's say they're telling you about, for example, headache pill. Headache pill, headache pill, and sugar pill. You can write this as a key guide. Headache pill, you can say HCP for headache pill, and then sugar pill, you can write as P. So when you draw your branch, you can have something nice, HCP and SP. But keep note, you should tell them that a key and show them that, okay, head pill, it is represented by the letter HCP. And then sugar pill, it is being represented by the letter SP. Please make your work neatly so that the marker doesn't struggle to get you wherever you want to draw. And also, before I move to counting principle, it is important for you guys to draw a Venn diagram and be able to interpret. I think I do have a question for everything, hence the session called Everything Probability. Be able to draw a Venn diagram and interpret whatever is in the diagram. Venn diagram, you just draw your, your square. Just draw a rectangle rather. Let's just make it rectangle with a 2 or 3. There can be 2 or 3 circles depending on the event. But if you find out that there is something in common, wait, there is something in common. These 3 events, these 3 people, they are doing both maths and science. So that common one should be at the middle. So the number of people who do something at a common should stay here. That's a common. And those people who are doing nothing, do nothing people, we write them here. All right, we just write them here. Let me just make a quick scenario for you. I want everybody to be okay. Check something. Say, what do you mean by option for tree diagram? Okay, I will see what I'm gonna do. I'm saying every time when you read the scenario, some question they will never ask you to draw a tree diagram, but the question for you to answer the question, tree diagram, it is needed. Hence, I'm saying every time when you read and you find out there is options, somebody want to go to Durban, other one go to Cape Town. These are the two options. There could be three possible. So every time when you reach a state where they give you some options, run to tree diagram. You will never, ever, ever go wrong. You will never, ever, ever go wrong with that. Okay, sweet. Without any waste of time, beautiful, I see. Like choosing either blue ball or red. Beautiful. Thank you, Mister. I think I should run through these questions before I look at okay, let me just do counting principle at the same time so that we doesn't left behind. Okay, beautiful. I will do it for you. Why not? Let's just try to summarize counting principle so that when we look at the equation, there's no longer a summary. Counting principle, easy to do. I'm just gonna go slow so that you can get all the concept. The time is not on our side, but we shall see something. Counting principle. Counting principle. Easy to do, learning how do we count, okay? I'm gonna give you about 4 scenarios, then we just run through to the question. Number 1, if I ever had to arrange, if you are to arrange an object, okay? If ever you have to arrange an object in and space, beautiful, in and space, without repetition, that's very key. I'm gonna change my marker, without repetition. So the number of ways will be n factorial because you are now arranging an object in an n space. So I can say n out of n. Oh, let me just put it here. That's n out of n without repetition. For example, let me just create a scenario for you. N out of n. So we have 7 people to be seated on a row of 7 chairs. Okay, beautiful. I like the 7 and 7. I have 7 people to be seated on a row of 7 chairs. So that's arranging an object in a n space without repetition. So the number of ways will be what? It is 7 out of 7. So basically that's 7 factorial. Please write 7 factorial and also use a calculator to get the full answer. Don't write 7 factorial and run. Please, please, please. I've seen many learners try to write 7 factorial and after they just disappear. Guys, please don't disappear after doing that. Get it on a calculator. Anybody have a calculator? Can you please just tell us? I could appreciate your help.
5,040.
5,040. Beautiful, lovely, guys. Sweet, awesome. I see the answer coming through. Beautiful, lovely. So if ever you have to arrange n without repetition. So my question is, what will happen if we have a repetition? That's scenario number 1. That's an A. That's a B. Still fall under n space. So if we have a repetition where the repetition is allowed, okay, with repetition, the number of ways will be n to the power of n. So basically, I have 7 exponent 7. What is the answer? When the repetition is not allowed and when the repetition is allowed, is n to power n. When the repetition, it is allowed. But when not allowed, n out of n. Can I please get the answer from you? I could appreciate. A3?
A2.
A2, sorry. Okay, let me write it down. I cannot see the comments. A2?
A23.
A2, A3?
35.
A23.
A2,
543.
3, 5, 4, 3. Huh? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful. I see your answer on the comment. Beautiful, lovely, guys. So that's a scenario number 1. Okay. Beautiful. And without repetition, that's n factorial. But when the repetition is allowed, it is n to the power n. Beautiful. Okay. I hope everybody's still okay. Please allow me to know if I'm losing you. I just want us to run at the same pace. Okay, beautiful. That's scenario number 1. What about scenario number 2? Scenario number 2 is when I am picking. Wait, okay. It is called the discriminant. I'm not discriminating around others. So I'm now picking R out of N. Wait, I see 2 different letters. There must be 2 different arrangements. I'm now picking R out of N. What does it mean? E.g., let me not lose you. E.g., you have 3 people to sit out of 6. Out of 6. Okay, wait. You have 3 people to sit out of 6. So the number of ways will be n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r, close the bracket, factorial. Check something. How many people do I have? The total sample space, I have 6. So can I say 6 factorial over 6 minus r? These are 3 factorial. Okay, let me repeat. I'm now picking 3 people out of 6. Where are, it is a number of people that has been picked. Okay, she said 120. I see, okay, 120. Okay, I see the answer is 120, but I just want to do something nice without a calculator. Okay, my kids know me. I just want to do something nice without a calculator. I have 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 3. That's 3. 3 factorial. Check what I'm gonna do. I just want to do something nice without a calculator. 6 factorial. Can you just allow me to say 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial divide by 3 factorial? This they will divide. This and this they will divide. So that's a basic math from grade 3 now. We can do it without a calculator now. 5 times 6, that's 30. 30 times 4, 120. Somebody confirm with me.
True, sir.
Beautiful. You are allowed to use a calculator. I just wanted to show you how this math could be beautiful, guys, without the use of calculator. You are allowed to use a calculator. You are not restricted. Use a calculator as much as you want.
Thank
Don't
God for
be
calculator.
restricted. Human calculator, beautiful. That's how math should be done, you know. Don't use a calculator. Use it. You bought it. You have a right to use it, guys. Please use it. But whenever you know, the steps should be in your mind. Okay, that was scenario number 1. Let's try to run again. They are grouping items. I'm gonna do something nice for you. Say, please explain the formula. Okay, sweet. N factorial is our total sample space. We are now picking 3 people out of 6. That's N, that's R. So you are basically picking 6 out of 3. So hence the formula say N factorial divided by N minus R close brackets factorial. You will never, ever, ever, ever gone wrong with this formula. I would like to give you some quick example to do for me. Please, this is for you. You are now picking 6. I want to give you this so that I can see we are on the same page. Example. We have 5 people. No, 7 people to be seated on 3 chairs. Okay, how many people do we have? We have 7 people. Oh, wait, I'm just gonna introduce you to the method where we have to draw the boxes. Okay, I have 7 people, but these 7 people should be seated on the row of 3 chairs. So basically, it is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So that will be 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 factorial. So that's 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3. That's 4 factorial. Use a calculator. Tell me the answer.
210, so
210. I was gonna use my mind. I thought it's gonna give me big number. 210. Beautiful. Beautiful stuff. I love this. I love this. Okay, guys. Time is not on our side. Let's try to do a last scenarios. I just want to give you a clue before we can go to the questions. Okay, we can have a repeated. Okay, when we have a repeated letters. Okay, where we have a repeated letters. Okay, for example, our formula will be n factorial divided by a factorial multiplied by b factorial. Okay, where a and b are the number of repeated letters. Beautiful. For example, can we please try to do this? Mississippi. Spelling CP, but I hope you can get what I want to say. So Mississippi. So how many number of ways I have? How many letters do I have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, n equals to 11. How many repeated letter? By looking at this, I have I have S, I have P. How many I do I have? Let's count together. Remember, it's counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many S do I have? It's counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many P do I have? 1, 2.
2.
Yes, I'm gonna share this with you. Oh, 2, sorry. Oh, somebody already got the answer. You guys are on fire. I have 2. So number of ways will be 11 factorial divided by the repeated letter. I have 4 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Okay, because A and B, I can even add C, depend on how many repeated letter do you have. Okay, somebody already gave it the answer. Somebody confirm. Guys, let me tell you something. If you don't put this multiple between, you're gonna give you maths error. You can confirm now. It is important to put the multiple in between. If you can write it like that, it's gonna give you maths error. Please, 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 guys, make the use of multiplication between letters. If you don't do that, I'm telling you, something will go wrong. Can I get the thumbs up and okay if we are on the same board? Can I
Thumbs
get the
up.
thumbs up for me? Okay, thumbs up if you are still together. I could appreciate to get the response from you. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up. There is a chat box there. If I'm losing you, please don't hesitate to talk to me. I'm here for you. You are here for me. Awesome. I see the beautiful, beautiful guys. This is lovely. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. All right. Beautiful, guys. I see we are all together. So let me give you this before I look at the group item, which is the last part, then raise this question. This is for you. Question. Arrange the letter. How many ways can this letter be arranged? Okay. Okay, use this letter. I'm not sure if I wrote it correctly, but yeah. I can't pronounce it, but it's ngaya, ngaya, something like that. Ngaya, ngaya. I can't pronounce it. Ngaya. Yes. Oh, ngaya. Oh, I see. Oh, guys, even write better than me. You guys are the best. Can you please do it for me? Ah, guys, you are the best. Somebody already done 540. So fast. No, it can't be. You guys are on fire. I don't have a calculator for me, but I believe everybody's okay. Okay, guys, beautiful. I see the answers. I don't have a calculator for me, but yes, I trust you. Majority wins. All right, I trust you guys. Okay, the last part for tonight is to be able to do with the repeated or the group items. Please, please, please listen to me. I know they might be teaching you this group item in a different way at your school, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do something nice for you. I'm gonna do something nice for you. Check. They might be teaching you in a different ways, but then I'm gonna do something nice for you that you won't forget. Grouping item. Grouping items. Check something, guys. I need to hear from you. Is there anybody who still remember this formula? Let me show you this formula. Top minus bottom plus 1. Is there anybody who still remember this formula? And you remember this formula from where?
Sequences.
Sequences. Oh, sequences. Number pattern. I see. You guys are practicing. You even remember this formula. Guys, this formula, it is a key guide here. You should write it as my king. You are my king. You are my savior. This formula is going to save you. Listen to me. This formula is going to save you a lot. This formula is going to save you a lot. I use it here in probability and also where? I use it in probability and also in finance. I have few of my kids in the class. We normally use it in probability and finance. My kids has been using this for quite long. They know how to apply it. I'm gonna teach you something with this formula. I use it in finance where I have to count number of years. This formula never left me behind. Top minus bottom plus 1. Even in number pattern, I use it on the sigma and somewhere some cheating skills. But wait, that's why in this class you have to know this. Okay, check. I need to create something nice for you. I need to create something nice for you. We normally say grouped items. The grouped items, it is n minus k plus 1. Check something. N minus k plus 1 is the same thing as top minus bottom plus 1. I hope you still remember this formula. N minus k plus 1. Okay, check what I'm going to do. I need to create a beautiful scenario for you so that you don't get confused. Somebody's writing on my board. Please stop doing that. Stop doing that. You are writing on my board. I will give you a permission, but for now, listen to me. I have letters A, B, C, D, and E. Let's look at these letters. A, B, C, D, and E. And the scenario said, How many ways can the letter A, B, C, D, and E arrange such that A and B are together? Oh, wait, together. I mentioned something nice. Where A and B are together. I'm gonna do this. Number of ways equals to n minus k plus 1. Check something. Plus 1, close the brackets, factorial multiplied by k factorial. I'm gonna repeat. For the grouped items, we say n minus k plus 1 factorial multiplied by k factorial. But you don't have to struggle about this formula. It's from number pattern, where k are grouped item. So how many items are grouped? It's A and B. So K equals to 2 because only 2 letters are being grouped. So number of ways will be N. How many sample space we have? A, B, C, D. N equals to 5. N equals to 5. The rest is maths. So I'm going to have 5 minus 2 plus 1 factorial multiplied by K. K is a group item. We have 2 items being grouped. Is a 2 factorial. Life become easy. Ah, I see. Life become easy. So what is this answer in your calculator?
48.
48. You are done. Using this formula, you are done. That's the formula you have to use. But then somebody can say, what about when they ask not together? Okay, not together. Beautiful question. Not together. I normally says, check what I'm gonna do. Check what I'm gonna say and check what I'm gonna do. I see the answer still coming. Okay, I normally say grouped plus not grouped equals to the total. Please bear mind of this formula I'm creating for you. Grouped plus not grouped equals to total. Okay, so if they ask you not together, for not together, it is simple. We are going to say not together, the total, which is n factorial, total minus the grouped. What is the total? We have 5 factorial minus grouped. We said group is 48. Then use a calculator. When they said not together, just say total minus together. Oh, let me write it fun. Total minus together. Thank you so much. You know, I see the comment. Guys, that's beautiful. So basically, let me conclude my
72.
slide. 72, beautiful. Let me conclude my slide by saying this. Let me conclude my slide by saying this. I just need to write it somewhere this side. I need to conclude by writing this formula for you. Check something. With these 3 formula I'm showing you, we are going to answer all the questions using this. You will never go wrong. Please check something. We said together, it is what? N minus k plus 1 factorial multiplied by k factorial. Not together. It is the what? N factorial minus together, which is this, minus n minus k plus 1 factorial times k factorial. Guys, these 2 formula will save you always. When they ask you something are together, where k, let me explain, where k are grouped items. Where k are the grouped items. Can I get the thumbs up if you are together with what I've said? Can I get the answer if you're okay? Okay is for you guys. Only okay, thumbs up. Okay. I see I'm losing. Okay, we're gonna help you out. Aya Dube. We are gonna assist you just now.
Excuse me, so I can't literally see the whole formula. Can you, like, for the not together part?
All right, wait. Somebody said repeat for the last time. Okay, I'm here for you. That's why you joined the class. Let me show you something. I'm gonna repeat this. I'm gonna repeat this. Okay, wait, let me repeat this. I say these are the grouped items. Group items. Guys, keep yourself muted. Keep yourself muted. We can hear whatever you're talking. Grouped items. Okay, group items. I like to say, check what I'm gonna do. Together plus not together. It gives us the total. That's what we know. That's a basic maths. Together plus not together should give us the total. Here is the scenario that I created for you. We have letter A, B, C, D, and E. With this letter A, B, C, D, and E, they are telling you now where A and B are together. So now you're grouping A and B. So they ask you to calculate number of ways. So using number pattern formula, N equals to top minus bottom plus 1. I'm gonna say N minus K plus 1, close the brackets, factorial multiplied by K factorial, where K are the grouped item. Okay, check something. N is a total sample space. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N equals to 5. But then K, it is a group item. How many letters are then grouped? There are only 2 letters, which is A and B. Okay, I have 2. So the number of ways will be N minus K plus 1 factorial multiplied by K factorial. So that will be 5 minus 2 plus 1 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial, because we said K are the grouped item. And you said your answer was what?
48.
48. Okay, it was 48. I hope everybody's still okay. When they ask you not together, remember this is where A and B are together. We use this formula every time when something they are grouped. If they say A, B, C are grouped together, so it means now K will be 3 because I'm now grouping 3. So when they ask you not together, from the formula that I just wrote here, not together, it means I can take it to other side. I can take together to other side. So it's gonna be not together equals to the total sample space minus the together. So let's check something. What is the total sample space? It is 5. I'm gonna have 5 factorial minus together. How many are together? We've already calculated for us. You can say minus 48. So your answer was what? I checked the comment, 72.
72.
So those who are lost, are you still lost? Let me know. Can I get the thumbs up? I need to go to the question. Question needed. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Check whatever I'm teaching you now, I'll be applying it. So N is a total. Beautiful, sweet. Caroline, she said this is now fine. Beautiful. I love it. Sweet, beautiful. Okay, it's time to chill with the big boys. Let's just look at the questions. Shall I start here? Okay. Any question will do. We don't care. As long as a question, we question it. Wait, let's take this question
Hey,
together.
can you please zoom a little bit?
Come again.
Please zoom a little bit.
I will zoom it for you. Why not? Tell me if it's okay or you still need some zoom in. I will do it for you.
It's better now, thanks.
No, I want it to be perfect, not better. Let me zoom it again. It is now
Okay,
extra
thank you.
large. It's extra large, isn't it? It is extra
Yeah.
large. It is now gaining electron. It is now cathode. Oh, sorry. I thought we were in physics class. Apologies. I thought you were in physical science class. Apologies. All right, sweet. Let's check this. You have to choose a password. Everybody like to put password on their phone. A password must be in this format. Oh, wait. Okay. 3-digit followed by 2 vowels. What is vowels? Okay, what are the vowels? Can you please name them for me? Vowels. You like to sing a song? A, E, I, O, crash. Guys, imagine crash in grade 12. We have done this in preschool, isn't it?
Yes.
Maths start
Some of
from
us.
grade R.
Some of us.
Okay. So what about the consonant? There's something called consonant. I'm now teaching.
It's the letters besides the vowels, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
How
guys,
they
I'm
can
now
repeat.
teaching you English. You are prepared.
Now,
Okay,
how
wait.
can they-
You are now preparing for English paper
Yeah,
3.
21.
English paper 3 and paper 1. I'm now teaching you English paper 3 and paper 1. I'm so nice. Imagine. Consonants. Consonants are the letter of alphabet except vowels. Okay. How many vowels do we have? We have 5.
5.
The letters of alphabet, letters, we have 26. How many digits do we have if we include 0 digit?
9. 9. Oh,
In
10.
total.
10. If we include 0 is 10.
Okay.
10 is
With 0, if we include 0, we are going to have 10. But if we exclude 0, without 0.
9.
Oh, beautiful. 9. These are the important kind. Okay. You have to. Okay, let's get the work done. You have to choose a password. The password must be in this format: 3-digit followed by 2 vowels, where 0 is not allowed. This is very, very important. If 0 is not allowed, meaning our digit will be what? 9. Do you agree
Yes.
with me? And all vowels are allowed. Okay, all
Yes.
vowels are allowed. So it means I'm gonna use my vowels being 5. You may repeat the digit. Okay, digit may be repeated, but
Yeah.
wait, you may repeat any digit, but you may not repeat vowel. So it means vowel, I'm not repeating them. So wait,
Yeah.
let's create our password. I think it's my password phone, this one. I bet. Let's check something. They said 3 should be the vowels. No, 3 should be what? Digit 1, 2, 3, and 2 vowels. So it means this 3 block is for what? It's for digit. And the remaining 2 is for vowels. So check something. Digit may be repeated. Oh, check something. Digit may be repeated. How many digits do I have? I'm gonna have 9 because they said 0 is excluded. I'm gonna have 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, because they told me that they can be repeated, but vowels, they are not repeated. So it means I'm going to have 5. I'm not allowed to repeat. I'm going to 4. So number of ways will be 9 times 9 times 9 times 5 times 4. 9 times 9, that's 81. Hey, use a calculator. I don't want to have mental breakdown.
14,518.
14,508. Okay, we are done. Please, vowels, consonants, these are the important terms that you have to know. I'm not teaching you English paper 3. I'm so nice, trust me. I am so nice. You can use this on your SA because we have the vowels. You are getting there bit by bit. All right, beautiful. Okay, that was a ice break. So let's just deal with the big boys. Let's look at other questions. Okay, they asked me to repeat it. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do.
I would like to ask before you repeat.
Okay, let me repeat it. You'll ask me. Let me do this. Okay, beautiful.
Okay.
Let's just repeat. We have given a format. Our format should be 3. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. And then I have, okay, the first 3 blocks is for what? It is for digit. And the remaining 2 is for vowels. So check something. Here is the condition. How many digits do we have? We are going to have 9. Why 9? Because examiner said, oh wait, because examiner said something nice. We use factorial where there is, oh, beautiful questions. Please throw factorial, those questions to me. Let's check something. 0 is not allowed. So it means how many digits do I have? I have 9. So I'm going to put 9 here. It is a position. Oh, beautiful. It is a position. When we deal with the position, we don't use factorial. Okay. But when we deal with number of ways, okay, I'm just going to explain something now. You will see what I'm up to. You will see what I am up to. I have 9 here, and they said digit may be repeated. I'm just gonna have 9 again because they asked me to repeat the digit. I'm gonna have 9 again here. Why 9? Because they said digits are allowed to be repeated. We use factorial if I have an object to be arranging anyhow. You're gonna check the next question that I'll be doing. It is some little bit of ambiguity based on what I'm doing now. So they're telling me that digit may be repeated, but they said 0 is excluded. So I'm going to have 9 here. I'm going to have 9 here. I'm going to have 9 here. Also, what did they say? Vowels may not be repeated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna put 5 here. Since they are not repeated, I'm going to 4 options. I have 5 options, but they're telling me do not repeat. I'm going to the 4. So hence the number of ways will be 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. 9 times 9 is 81 times 9 times 5 times there, that's 20. So use a calculator, guys. That's why I stop. Use a calculator. That's why I'm stopping.
14,580.
Okay, there's those who had a question for me. They are telling me, why am I not doing that? Okay, hold on for now. Please stay on this spot. I need to show you something. If these 9 were to arrange anyhow, listen to me. If this 9 digit were to be arranged anyhow, this is what I'm going to do now. Please, you might be a little bit lost, but hold on for now. Let me show you something. Wait, don't move. No, which one? I want to show you something. Don't move for now. Where's the question? I have a question that will answer your answer correctly. Check something. There was a question where we have friends to sit next to each other. Okay, let's look at this question. You will now familiarize yourself with what I did and what I'm going to explain now. There will be a little bit of beautiful explanation. Hold on. Let me show you something now. Let me show you something. Wait. I need to make it to next slide. All right, beautiful. Let's look at this question again. You will see something. Okay, wait, what are they saying? 6 learners are to be seated on a 6 chairs placed in a row next to each other. Okay, n equals to 6. I have a 6 learners are seated on a 6 chairs. Oh, wait, next to each other. Beautiful. 2 of the learners are close friends. Oh, wait. These are close friends. I can say they are couples actually. These 2 learners are close friends and requested to sit next to each other. Wait, let's try to understand this question. Let's try to understand this question. I see a question. May you please zoom it once more? Okay, wait. Okay. Let me try to zoom it once more. Which question was that? So that I can duplicate it from my side. Wait. Just a moment. I can't see this.
What?
How does it look now? It looks better. Oh my God, wait. Talk to me, how does it look now?
Better.
Better. Mr. Aonge, how does it look now? Okay, beautiful. Is the question that I want you to see the difference between. No, there was this other question I have where we have couples, you know. Wait, there's a question where I just put it here, or is in other document where it is a couple. I just put them next to each other because I wanted you to see something, the connection between. No. Okay, it's fine. I'll try to look at that question. Let's look at this question. 6 learners are to be seated on a 6 chair placed in the next row. Okay, 2 of them are the close friends and they requested to sit next to each other. Oh, they want to sit together next to each other. Okay, beautiful. Calculate the probability that the 2 learners sit next to each other. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Check what I'm gonna do. I have A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I have 6 learners, but 2 of the learners, okay, let's just pick these 2. They asked to sit next to each other. So sit together. These are the group items. Sit together. Okay, beautiful. How do we do with it together? We know. You see, how do we deal with together? We said n minus k plus 1 factorial multiplied by k factorial. So we have
Is it
6.
240?
It's 240. Already done. You're on fire. It's 6 minus 2 plus 1 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. What is the answer?
240.
So that's basically 6. Okay, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That's 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Okay, that's 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. But look at the question. Calculate the probability. You're not done. Calculate the probability. How do we calculate probability? Probability of together will be number of possible outcomes
Versus 6 factorial.
over the total sample space. So that's 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial divided by 6 factorial. Okay. Can I do this? Check something. Can I then say 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial divided by 6 times 5 factorial? So basically this and that, they will cancel. So you are left with 2 times 1 over 6. That's 1 over 3. Somebody confirm?
Yeah.
Correct.
It's it.
0.33.
Yeah, that's
Correct.
0,
correct.
0.3. You see this formula works. Okay, let's say now they ask you not together. Can you please do this for me? Not together. I'm giving you 1 minute. This is together. Calculate the probability of not together. Oh, awesome, cool. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
It's 418.
Yeah. 480.
Do we also calculate the probability as well?
You saying, guys?
480.
I need to confirm with you. Okay, I see. I trust you. Wait, let's take something. We said not together, it is a total minus together. That's what we spoke about recently. So that could be 6 factorial minus 5 factorial times 2 factorial, because that's together. So your answer is what?
480.
48.
480. I see the comments. Beautiful. So that's 480. So what is the probability? Probability will then be
4/3.
480 divided by 6 factorial. 2 over 3. Guys, is everybody okay?
Yeah, boy.
Yes.
Let me know if I'm still losing you guys.
Yeah. Should we send thumbs up again?
Any question, guys? Okay, wait. Okay, I see everybody seems to be okay. Okay, for me to be sure that you guys are okay, allow me to give you one more question so that I can see everybody's okay and comfortable with the question that I'm doing. Wait, which one belongs to you? Okay, do this for me to ensure that
Zoom,
we are still
so
on the same page.
Don't forget to zoom, please.
I won't forget. You can call me Mr. Zuma. I'll do it for you.
you're not president, so.
Hey, Zubuya. All right. Okay, if it's not much clear, let me try to enlarge it for you.
I think it's
Most
fine.
of the questions that I might doing for you, it is for May and June, for upgraders. Those questions, they have a vibe, hence I took a lot of them. May and June upgraders, 2023, 2024, 2020. For the past few years, for upgraders for May and June, I picked those questions. It is now clear enough?
Yeah.
Okay, do this. I see the answer. You guys are on fire. Let's finish up. I see the answers in the comment section. Okay, let's try to read first and see if you are correct. 7 friends. Okay, wait. 7 friends, 4 boys and 3 girls want to sit in a straight line to each other and take a selfie. Okay, we know it's girls. Girls love pictures, okay? That's girls. Okay, that's girls. They want to take pictures. Normally, guys, they don't love pictures. All right. These other girls want to take pictures. Please keep yourself muted, guys. Your background is noisy, Carl. All right. In how many ways can 3 girls sit next to each other? Oh, 3 girls. I see something. What's your answer? I have this other question for you. Let me check if I what is the question? I have this other question here. I just wrote it down for you because I was struggling to find it as a PDF. No, that's not it. What is your answer, guys? Please confirm.
720.
Mind you tell us how you got your answer? Which formula did you use first?
Together formula.
Okay, can you please tell me what you done so that I can see if you're correct or not? Okay, I see the comment.
I found out that the sample space is 7.
Okay. And then?
They say 3 girls will stand next to each other. So it's 7 minus 3 plus 1.
Oh, beautiful. I love this. The formula. I see the comment. Beautiful. Okay. Basically, you said number of ways equals to n minus k plus 1 factorial multiplied by k factorial, where k are together. So how many girls are together? K equals to 3. In total, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have 7 minus 3 plus 1 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. I hope everybody use this formula, and your answer is what?
720.
Guys, you see this formula, you will never go wrong. Any questions, use this formula, you will never go wrong. Thank you, Shodi. Beautiful. Wait. In the next photo, determine the probability, very key, that Cyril, a boy, and Lydia, a girl, will not together. Okay, I think everybody can do this. We said not together. It is total minus together. So that's basically n factorial minus together. We have already calculated together. That will be 7 factorial minus 2, 720 basically, because that's there. What's your answer?
So I don't think it's minus 720 because for 10.3.2 it's just 2 people, but then in 10.3.1
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for an ask. Okay, beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, guys, I can see I'm not alone here. Okay, beautiful. Oh, lovely. Okay, wait, let's read the question and not rush. Okay, it was a rush. The first question, they said 3 girls together. Oh, okay. So how could we approach this 10.3.2? Taking me step by step, I see it is now two boys. Okay, the first one it was three girls, and now it is boy and girl. Okay, I have one boy and one girl. Okay, how did you approach this one? It's two. So let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. It's gonna be n minus k plus 1 factorial multiplied by k factorial. Is where, guys, mute yourself, mute yourself, mute yourself. So that's 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 plus 1 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. So that will be 6 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
So probability of not together gonna be n factorial minus together. So minus 6 factorial times 2 factorial. So basically that's, what is the answer? 7 factorial minus 6 factorial times 2 factorial
1,440.
divide by 7 factorial. Is that the final answer?
No, sir.
Okay, I need the final answer. 0.71. I could appreciate it as a decimal. I think it's gonna be in fraction. It's 20 over 21, I believe. Huh? Am I correct? No, it's wrong.
So why are you dividing by
So
7
I got
factorial?
5 over
Okay,
The sample space.
because they said probability.
Mhm.
Determine the probability. That's what guides me. So remember the formula for probability is probability of an event equals to number of possible outcomes divided by the total sample space. Hence, I'm divided by the total sample space. They said probability, very, very key.
It's 5 over
Are,
7.
are we okay now?
Yeah.
Beautiful, guys. They said probability. That's why I said those little words matters the most. They said calculate the probability. Okay, very, very key, very, very key. All right. Any question? Okay, I think we still have the other two. Oh, okay. Let me just try to do this. My focus was on country principle, but let's try to draw this tree diagram. Check what I'm gonna do and check all the tricks that I'll be sharing by. Okay, somebody asked us to repeat. Okay, we got you. Hold on for now. All right, let's go to the person who asked us. Wait, what is the question? They said probability of not stand next to each other. Probability of not
Yes.
stand together equals to number of possible outcomes divided by the total sample space. Okay, so what is a sample space? It is 7 factorial because I have 7 people, 4 girls plus, oh, 4 boys. Yes, plus 3 girls. So that's what confused people. Remember, is a total sample space. I need to add all of them. So that will be 4 plus 3, which is 7. Hence, many ask why 7? It is a total sample space. From the formula says number of possible outcomes divided by the total sample space. Hence, I'm now dividing by 7. Okay, let's run through this before time. I hope Mr. Ngaya will create another time for us to meet again. I don't know when, but they will discuss with you. Basically, let's look at this. A group of people participated in a trial to test a new headache pill. Okay, wait. 50% off, 50% off. Three guys, every time when you see these options, even if they don't ask you to draw a tree diagram, it is a tree diagram. Every time when you have options, it is a tree diagram. So that's me and you reading. I'm gonna give you some little tricks. Check something. 50% of the participants receive headache pill. Okay, I'm going to have branch two options. It's either they're gonna receive headache pill. Can I say HP? 50% of participants receive sugar pill. Can I say SP for sugar pill? Okay. Remember they said 50% and 50%. I can say 0.5. 0.5. If you don't want to work with percentage. Okay, guys, please mute yourself. Okay, beautiful, Mr. Onge, for sharing the question in the comment section. Beautiful. All right, 50% receive headache pill. So it's a 50 divided by 100. That's 0.5. I can write 0.5 here. I'm still okay. And then remember, this is another option. 2/5 received the headache pill and they were not cured. Very, very, very key. Okay. Wait. 2/5 received headache pill and they were not cured. So 3/10 received the sugar pill and were cured. So there are two options. It's either you are going to receive a headache pill and be cured, receive a headache pill and not cured. Sugar pills is either they're gonna receive a sugar pill and cured, receive sugar pill and not cured. It's important. Check something. 2/5 receive a headache pill and they were not cured. I'm going to not cured. It's gonna be 2/5. But this should guide you. Whenever you add this and that, they should give you what? I'm gonna put 5/3 because 2/5 plus 3/5. It's gonna give you what? That's the guide. The branch that when you add them together, they should give you what? So what you're gonna do? I'm gonna repeat. They said 2/5 receive headache pill and they were not cured. So it means those who are cured, you can just do the template, put 5 here. But how many were not cured? It is 2/5. So for you to get to add everything in order to give you 1, you need 3 here because 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. You are done. So this is for you. 3/10 received the sugar pills and they were cured. So I have 3 who received sugar pills and they were cured. What about those who are not cured? Which one should I put on denominator? Numerator rather. I have 3. Which number am I left with to reach 10 if I have 3? 7. That should be your key guide always. So will it be credited if I use percentage? Yes, you can use percentage because probability equals to 1 or 100%. Any way you want to use it, still fine. So you said this is 7/10 because when you add this branch, they should always give you 1. When you add them, they should always give you 1. If it doesn't give you 1, wait, don't run. Don't be like Murife, always running. Please recheck. Okay, I'm done with this. Let's go to the question. Represent the information in a tree diagram. I've already done. Indicate the diagram associated with the branch as well as the outcomes. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a black marker for variation. I have HP and C. I'm going to have HPC. Here, HP and C. Here, SPC. Here, SP and C. Very, very key. You take this and that, write it here, this and that, write it here. That's how we write the outcomes. Okay. Let's go to the questions now. Determine the probability. Probability. Just know that number of possible outcomes. This is what should hit your mind always because it's a probability. Okay. Determine the probability that a person choose randomly from the group will not be queued, not be queued. I'm looking where my possible IFNC and C. So it's either, check something. I am gonna do something nice. Is either you receive the headache pill and not cured. So not cured, I'm gonna look where the branch it is associated with not cured. So I have this here, I have this here. It's either I have this or, oh, I mentioned something nice. You didn't hear me. It's either I have this or, check something, or it's either I have somebody who receive headache pill and not cured, or somebody who received sugar pill and not cured. In probability, or means addition and means multiplication. Probability relations, let me put it on top of you. In probability, very key, in probability, and possibility means multiplication, or means you should add. So I'm gonna either have, listen to me, either you receive headache pills and not cured, or sugar pills and not cured. Calculate the probability. Okay, check something. This is what I'm gonna do. I need you to use a calculator. Somebody's already done. So when are you going to do diagram where we add, okay. All right, I'll just see if I have that question. Let's take something. Headache and not cured. I'm gonna look at headache and not cured. So that's basically HP. Remember this dot means multiplication. I'm gonna say 0,5 multiplied by 2/5 plus sugar pills and not cured. So that will be 0,5 multiplied by 7/10. Okay, so 0,5 is 1/2. So I have 1/2 multiplied by 2/5 is 0,4. That will be 0,2 plus, okay, 0,5 times 7/9. 7,3, 0,3, I believe. So 0,3 multiplied by 0,5, that's 0,35. So add them together, that should be what? 0,55. Use a calculator, guys. You are allowed to, from here, use a calculator. Don't be like me. Gonna waste your time in exam. Thank you, Ziwia. You are now. Beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Onge. Down and cross, multiply. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, guys. That's how it's important. Every time when they give you options, just know it's a tree diagram. Okay, beautiful. I think I have the one more question before my time ends. Just about to finish. Wait, let's check something if I still have another question to do. Wait, let's try to do this together. Mr. Awonge, please do what you are capable of. Send this question to the comment section. Please do your job. We beg you. Mr. Awonge, please do your job. All right. While Mr. Aonge is doing what is good at, let's try to finish this now. And we shall meet. I don't know when, but we will definitely meet again. Okay, check something. Given the word brackets, okay, brackets. Thank you, Mr. Aonge. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Given the words brackets, the letters of these words are randomly arranged to form a new arrangement of letters. Okay, wait. first thing first, how many letters are conceived by brackets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many Unicode arrangement can be formed using these letters? Okay, that's for you. Please do it for me. And the number 2, determine the numbers of unique arrangement of the letters randomly if A and R are together. That's together. You know what to do. I'm just giving you 5 minutes to get everything done. 5 marks, 5 minutes. Four minutes left. Okay, I see 2 of them gave me the answer, and Jacob, yes, I will share the recording with you in the group. Please make sure that you're on the group chat. I will just you know what I'm gonna do? I will just save this and upload it on YouTube so that everybody can have access to it. It's gonna be a public video. Please go and watch it, subscribe, so that when we post, you get notified. Get notified. I see the answer coming through. Right. Time, it is non-consecutive force in physical science. Let's try to respect time. All right. Let's do this together. In how many ways? Okay, that's 7 out of 7. Is that fine? N factorial. So 1.2.1, that's 7 factorial, which is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And you said that's 50, 40. Is everybody okay? If you are getting a different answer from whatever you're doing, please let me know so that we can intervene. Okay, sweet, beautiful. How many arrangements can be made if R and A are together? So how many are together? N equals to 7, K equals to 2. Am I correct? Yes. Together will be what? N minus K plus 1 factorial times K factorial. So that's 7 minus 2 plus 1 factorial times 2 factorial. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's 6 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. And that's 14, 40. Anybody who got a different answer from us, please talk to us so that we can intervene. Okay, I'm asking you, I believe it's the last one. Calculate not together. That's what I say, together. Calculate not together. $360. Okay. While you're doing this, 3600. While you're doing this, I'm looking at this other question where they said couples are together. I want you to see something. I'm looking at this question. Okay. Guys, are you able to get not together? We say not together, it is a total minus together. So that will be 7 factorial minus 1440. What's your answer? Guys, you see all the tricks that I might showing you, these formulas. Please make sure tonight, before you sleep, get some past papers, follow all the tricks that I've been doing with you. And then, guys, there were questions where they ask you about not divisible by, where you have to use the odd number and even number. Okay, let me check it. Let it be the last one, where they have, wait, where's the question? I have a question where you guys have to use the odd even numbers. Maybe I forgot to send to my PC. Guys, we cannot leave this. We have this other question. Beautiful. Yes, please find a lot of questions that are associated. And wait, just a moment. I'm gonna load my slide. Wait, let's try to do this one, as I'll be looking for not divisible by and divisible by equation. They are kind of tricky. Mr. Aonge, for the last time, do what you are capable of. So fast, you guys are on fire. This formula working for you, ne? Or Mr. Aonge, share the question with us on the comment section. Beautiful. Excuse me. Please read with an understanding. Don't just read as if you're reading essay for history. Okay, I see the answers coming by. All right. I believe we should just do it together for the time's sake. For the time's sake. Okay. Beautiful. I see the answer coming. Beautiful, guys. Okay, wait. Beautiful. I see the answer coming by. Okay. There are 9 cards with different 9 cards of different makes, 4 black. Okay, I have 4 black. No, what am I reading? I'm not reading properly. Let me read it again. A 9 cars of different makes of which 4 are black to be parked in a straight line. How many different ways can the car be parked? Okay, I believe everybody got this correct. I see the answer. That's a 9 factorial. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me, guys? If I'm wrong,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can be wrong. After all, just say you are wrong. So 1.1.2 and 1, that's 9 factorial. And that's basically 362,880. Okay. If 4 blacks must be packed next to each other, okay, together, determine how many ways can the car be packed. So which formula did you use?
Top minus bottom plus 1.
N minus k plus 1 factorial times k factorial. So tell me what you did. Yeah, I'm still listening.
9 minus 4 plus 1 factorial times 4
9
factorial.
minus 4 plus 1 factorial times 4 factorial, which is basically 6 minus 4, okay, 5 plus 1, 6. That's 6 factorial times 4 factorial. And what's your answer?
17,280.
So, okay, somebody asked not together. When we say not together, it is basically the total minus together. It is easier to do even on the number pattern. Number that are not divisible and divisible, that's how we get them. What is the total? Sample space is going to be 9 factorial minus together, which is what we have already calculated. Then use this. Is a total minus together. That's the formula. Total minus together. It is easier to get together, unlike not together. So let me say grouped plus not grouped. It is equal to the total. So just mega of making it the subject of the formula. Beautiful. Guys, we have reached our time. It's been exceeded by 1 minute. So thank you for all joining. That's me signing out. And let me give you a proper goodbye mathematically. So my kids know what I'm gonna do. I know you are in my mind, but relax. Sine, oh, it's trigonometry. Sine Q over cos Q equals to what? Talk to me.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. That's me saying thank you. I'm saying thank you to you all mathematically. Thank you guys for joining. And please, 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 I'm gonna upload this on the YouTube. In case you can just subscribe on our YouTube, Maths and Science Made Easy. This is our YouTube channel. Although I'm gonna share the link with you guys, please subscribe in case we are sharing some little videos for tricks and all the subjects so that you are not left behind. You are on with us. Thank you for joining, guys. I leave everything to Mr. Ahonge.
May you please allow me to share, brother?
Okay, you can.
Screen.
Okay. Wait. Beautiful. Okay, wait, Mr. Aonge, wanna share something nice with you. Don't run. Don't be like Murife. Please, don't run.
Don't run.
Don't run. Okay, guys. That's the bishop signing out. Okay, sweet, beautiful. Mr. Aonge, you can just share.
Please, Bishop, as well. Don't run. Bishop,
I'm
don't
here.
run.
I'm here. I'm here.
Was that audible? Bishop.
Oh, thank you.
Bishop, Was that audible?
Yes, Mr. It was so nice and perfect. Perfect. Awesome. Awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us officially give Bishop a round of applause. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. You know, it's so rare to find passion, so much understanding for mathematics, and to find them being so eager to share such knowledge with others and to even share it freely at no cost. That is so rare. And that is the quality that we have found within yourself, my brother. Thank you so much for coming through. I am sure that the learners really enjoyed, as I have enjoyed the lesson as well. Perhaps there is one or two learner that wants to say a thing or two. I won't pick up on anyone.
Is there anybody who have a
Wants to
word
say-
you can talk to us so that yes, talk to us if you have anything to share with us. We could appreciate that.
Good
Say thank
evening.
you,
It's
Mr.
for
Manak.
Awesome. Thank you so much for the invitation. I can't thank you enough. Awesome. Keep well.
Sorry, to the students, to the learners, we have a decision to make. Next week, should we go of probability or should we do calculus? I'm thinking part 2 probability. So what I will do, I will type on the chat box probability part 2 for next week. If you are, no, this is not for cross night, this is for online. If you are for probability, you will like that message. If you are for differentiation, you will like differentiation, and then we can see. This is how we vote nowadays. No, just like on the messages that I've sent, probability part 2 or differentiation calculus. So I will give us a minute or so. At the moment, differentiation calculus is leading by 2 votes. Okay, this is quite exciting. I've written a message for probability on top. Please make sure that you like that. 11 is to 16. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Probability part 2 or calculus. 11 is to 17. This is interesting. It seems like, Mr. Manaka, you've done really well. They don't want probability anymore. They say you covered it so well. That is what they're saying.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I can't talk. I'm
So
still in tears.
it seems like differentiation. It seems like differentiation is winning. So folks, next week we will be doing differentiation. We will call Mr. Manaka once more though, and that will be on financial maths. Mr. Manak, please, I want to put you on the spot. Will you be available? Please.
I will talk to you. I will see my schedule. I will talk to you. We'll communicate. I'll talk to you.
Yeah, not for next week. We will see a day whereby you are available for.
Yes, yeah. For the coming days, yeah. But for now, we will just talk. I will just let you know my availability.
No, don't panic. We will speak. But at the end of the day, that is a promise that I am making to these folks here, these beautiful minds, the future of South Africa.
Yes.
That definitely I will convince Mr. Managa in one way or another. Or I will go to the Pompo and crack him and say, "Come."
We'll make it around, Mr. That's not a big thing. We'll just talk. Yeah.
For probability.
Yeah, we'll just talk when do we arrange, and yeah, we'll take it from there.
Okay, so what is next? We will be have a cross night section the 5th next week on Saturday in Bebeja at Nelson Mandela University. So you can be in touch with us on the WhatsApp group. You will see. I think there is a question. Just attending the question. Just a moment. I can't see the question now.